Hello everybody, this is 22 Tiger Dude for the segment called On This Day on Universe of the Blue Tubers channel. So, as part of this segment, on this day, I decided to talk about a film that literally came out exactly 1 year ago on this day, July 19th, 2014. And that is going to be on The Conjuring. So, I really just want to talk about The Conjuring and what that film has done. The Conjuring is my favorite horror film of 2013. That film is just really well made, and what James Wan did to direct that film and capture the true story of what happened to the family, it was just incredible. The interesting thing about this film is how James Wan actually got to meet Lorraine Warren in person and interview her about everything that happened. So you could tell when this project was being made, it was taken very seriously, and that James Wan had a lot of passion for this film. The Conjuring isn't like the scariest movie I've seen, but what is scary about the film is the fact that it is based on a true story. It's a creepy film. The scariest part of the film is by far the Annabelle doll. And the interesting thing is that in reality, the Annabelle doll is actually a raggedy doll. But I think they made her look very creepy for scary purposes, in which that's pretty understandable right there. The Conjuring is creepy in the sense that you know that this family had to go through all of that stuff. And if it were me going through all that stuff, I would be traumatized for life. I could never imagine going through the shit that they have gone through. And it's amazing what James Wan has captured with the sound effects, the cinematography, the events. That's what really impressed me about The Conjuring. Most horror films are just about, oh, jump scare, jump scare. But this one, yeah, you have jump scares here and there, but it's really all about the story and what this family had to go through. And you know what the paranormal investigators were discovering. Really creepy stuff, and James Wan just really pulled off all the stuff very well. But it's not just to James Wan's credit, but it's to the writer's credit as well for writing down the stuff and respecting the material. This film also features one of the scariest soundtracks I've ever heard put into film. The way that goes, listening to that soundtrack literally gives me the chills. It is amazing what they did not only with the film, but the soundtrack to really set the mood for The Conjuring. The Conjuring is a really good horror film. I really appreciate what this film was going for. It is one of the better horror films to come out of today. It's just a really good movie, and if you want to check out my movie review for The Conjuring, I'll leave a link in the description below. This is 22 Tiger Dude on Universe of the Blue Tubers for On This Day, July 19th, 2014 for The Conjuring. Don't forget that I will always have Tiger Power!